Our favorite companions can also be our messiest assets, around the car, home, or our clothes, leaving behind hair, stains, and even smells. Luckily, our love can be maintained along with the freshness of our living spaces using Turtle Wax's Power Out Pet Mess Kit. As the perfect on-the-go, non-toxic cleaning solution, the Power Out Pet Mess Kit covers a variety of scenarios on just about any home or car surface. Starting dry, use the ergonomically designed pet hair lifter sponge in long strides to pick up all types of hair on anything from carpets to clothes and upholstery. As hair accumulates on the sponge, peel or wash away the excess in between sections or uses. Next is the enzymatic Power Out Fresh Clean All-Surface Cleaner, removing stains and odors from both hard and soft surfaces. Spray and soak the area to be cleaned and firmly wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. Repeat this step if necessary, and for faster drying, blot the area with a fresh microfiber towel. Finally fully clean and with sources of any odors refreshed, move on to the Power Out Odor Eliminator and Refresher Travel Pump. The Odor X spray destroys odors on a molecular level, and its pet-safe formula can be applied to a variety of surfaces and inside vents. Effortless love meets effortless cleaning and odor solutions, maintaining a bond that can't be broken by eliminating stains and smells that can be, using Turtle Wax's Power Out Pet Mess Kit.